What are the most in demand skills in Canada? What are some of the highest paid jobs in Canada? The kind of jobs that bring you the comfort of working from home, paying for your home as well as your car, as well as work on your own terms and have a flexible schedule. And the kind of skills that are not very difficult to learn as well. Many people are doing it on their own informally through YouTube tutorials or by taking such online courses as the courses being offered by Coursera. So I'm going to tell you a list of some of the most in demand skills in Canada that I think you should consider acquiring. If you come from such a profession, nothing like that. But if you are from a different profession and you have a slight inclination or the thought has already passed your mind that you should consider investing your time and effort into acquiring those skills, then I would give you a heads up there and I would tell you totally go for it. So what are those skills? I'm going to tell you shortly in today's video, but before that, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Honest Reviews Canada. And I'm telling you all this from my personal observation and experience, having lived and spent my time in Canada as a permanent resident over the past year and a half. So what are those skills that I'm talking about? You have to follow me. I will tell you keyword by keyword, and you can estimate what all from this you can learn or you have already a background of, and you can further consider polishing your knowledge and skills in that realm. So they include artificial intelligence, big data, business analytics, cognos, data analysis, data engineer, data science, Datadog, DBA, deep learning, machine learning engineer, MySQL, neural networks, Oracle, prompt engineering, Python developer, SAP HANA, Snowflake, Spark, SQL developer. Now, some of these are computer languages. Some of these are languages that you need to know in order to be able to code, to develop codes, to develop apps, to build websites and intricate and sophisticated computer programs and software, because artificial intelligence is very much integrated into the foreseeable future, and it is expected that many of the jobs would be replaced by artificial intelligence, by the robotic versions of systems. So if you have any background in artificial intelligence, or by any chance if you are interested in this field, do consider giving it time and formally acquiring good skills in them, because they sell like hotcakes here. And these are the kind of jobs that bring you the comfort of working from home. I'm particularly saying this because these IT jobs, they're mostly done from computer, and you don't even need to go to office for that. And since many people are working from home, it brings them the flexibility of choosing the right spot and right place for them. Otherwise, people are tied to the place where they once get something on rent, whether it's a basement or an apartment or a condo, whatever. But as long as they have a job nearby, they cannot go anywhere else, because their stay in that area is very much tied to the job prospects. They want to minimize the distance between work and home, so they have to stay there. But these kind of jobs, if you have these kind of skills, you would be able to work from home. And let's say you don't like one area of Canada, you will be easily relocating to another area. You could move province to province, and you could also sort out options for yourself if you are looking into buying a home in Canada, because as you know, there is a lot of difference between the prices of homes in different places in Canada. The price, for example, in Calgary, prices are comparable. Prices are more or less the same, but the kind of home you can get in Calgary is generally bigger for the same price that you would be paying for a home in Ontario. So the point I wanted to make here was that if you require some of these skills, they will enable you to work from home, and you would be able and be in a better position to find and to decide what area suits you best, what area you want to buy your home in. Because once you have bought a home, you are pretty much married to your home, or in a way, sort of, you are tied to that place unless the home is sold out. And again, that's not a very complicated process. Once you put your home for sale, the market is so much hot that it wouldn't take you time to be able to sell it. But there are a lot of factors to consider in that, whether you are able to build premium, whether you were able to build good equity in that, the price of home is appreciated, and what's the interest rate, and what's the market like, and if you're selling this property, would you be able to buy a similar property for the kind of money you would get by selling your home. So all these factors have to be considered, and it's a very which makes it a complicated process and a difficult decision to make. So I would say, if you acquire some of these skills, you will be able to work from home and decide for yourself which area suits you best. Talking about the skills, I'll tell you further. You should try to get knowledge of C++, cryptocurrency, because crypto and stock market is very trendy in Canada. Many people invest in stocks, many people invest in cryptocurrencies. If you have a good knowledge of it, you could even build a good audience using social media, because so many people would be listening to you. People are interested in knowing what stocks and cryptocurrencies have a tendency to bring them good returns in the near future. And if you are good at trading, and if you could share with them how you trade, how they can improve their trading skills, they would accept you as their mentor, and you could make some money out of social media as well. And that includes not only the YouTube income, but also money generation through sponsorships and other things like Instagram and TikTok. Besides, you should try to learn JavaScript, MATLAB, SAP. All of these are computer languages and programs, and very much related to coding. So I would say try to have some hands-on experience as well as knowledge of these things, because you would be able to find contractual jobs not only within Canada but also from the US. Many people are working for Canada as well as for the US from the comfort of their homes, and they are making very good money, even though the mortgage is so much that they have to pay for their homes. But they are making such good money from their Canadian as well as US jobs and contracts, that it's very much possible for them not only to pay off the mortgage of one home, but also two homes if somebody has them. So I would say delve deeper into IT, information technology, get as much knowledge of computer programming and coding as you can. If you could join some skills development council or a training institute, by all means do that. Many people are able to learn all this informally from YouTube and other online sources. So if you are good at it, if you are able to help yourself, then nothing like it you would be able to do free of cost. And but it's highly recommendable for you, because if you ask me what profession sells the most or is very much in demand in Canada, I would say IT, information technology. I think people coming to Canada should really consider learning something about that. Hope this video will be of some help to you. Keep watching Honest Reviews Canada for such informative, genuine and honest reviews, opinions and sharing of insights from me. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and have a nice day. Bye bye.